today. I'm so glad that you guys tuned in to this video because I'm super excited about what I have to show you today. You guys are going to be excited too. So I was contacted by this company. They have a monthly subscription box, and when I tell you guys this box is amazing, this box is amazing. So I was contacted by Mr. Terrence Strong, the CEO and owner of ZaaBox. So let me tell you a little bit about the ZaaBox. The ZaaBox is a monthly subscription service. You get it every month after you sign up for the service, and in the box comes full-size products. It's dedicated to us beautiful women, and inside each month you'll get some products that you can try and you can have a spa evening to yourself. So inside of the ZaaBox comes all natural products, and they're all products that were made and owned by other African American people and or companies. This subscription box is amazing. It's totally dedicated to women, and it's a box full of 100% natural products. So let's get into I want to point out to you guys, this is the package that the ZaaBox came in. Okay, so it says on the front that it's perishable, it says refrigerate, and it says to open immediately. So let's do that. Alright guys, here is what was inside of the envelope. Very pretty packaging, you guys. It matches the envelope that it came in. It's gold. It's very feminine, very eye-catching. I love the packaging, and you can feel the wording inside of the box. It's awesome. Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, okay, so there's an envelope inside, and it has TeeJaay on it, and then the packaging in the inside has a ribbon. So before we get into this, let's get into this. I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, so it says welcome to ZaaBox. There's a handwritten card. Wow. To my darling TeeJaay. Ah! Okay, so I'm not going to read to you guys what's in my card because you should subscribe so you can get your own handwritten card. But it starts off by saying, melt into my arms. They are here to hold you tight. Let's get into this box. Let's open it and see. Are you guys as excited as I am? Oh my gosh. It's a rose. A real rose, you guys. Wow, that is so awesome. This is beautiful. Wow. I wonder yes, I'm pretty sure this is how the boxes come every month. So wait, before I get too excited. That's beautiful. So okay, there's a card here, lavender love, so that must be the theme for the month of April. And on the back of the card, it just kind of tells you everything that's inside of your box. So I have inside of my box this month, I have a bath and body wash. I have a lavender chamomile candle, lavender infused body moisturizer, and I have a chocolate lavender aromatherapy soap and some chocolates, minted mocha in here chocolates. To have a wonderful spa night to myself is in here. So this is a candle, a lavender chamomile candle here. Let's see how that smells. Oh, that smells so good. So it's a lavender chamomile candle. This here is a full-size moisturizer for your skin after your spa night rendezvous. Here is, okay, the lavender body wash full size. Here is, oh, I cannot wait to try this right here. Here is the lavender, chocolate lavender aromatherapy soap. This, I can't wait. I can't wait to try this. And then also in here are the chocolate mints. Very cute. So the card here describes to you everything that's in your ZaaBox and explains to you what it is, what size it is, and that they're all 100% natural ingredients. It has each of the companies listed here, so if you ever want to go back and purchase those same items again, you can. This, it was awesome, and I just, guys, I got a rose in my box. Like, I can't get over that. I can't believe that. Like, this is, you're talking about making a lady and a woman feel super, super special. This right here, I have signed up for several different monthly subscriptions, and this takes the cake for me. Like, this is awesome. And not to mention, this handwritten note here, like, this is just, this is taking my breath away. This is so, like, the thought process and the details. Okay, if you want a handwritten note from Mr. Strong, then I suggest you go over to ZaaBox and sign up, because I'm blushing. This is just like, wow. When I tell you, when I opened this box, I was so pleasantly surprised. It has some awesome things in it, and just the time and the attention that Mr. Strong put into this box, thinking strictly of us women. I totally want to give him a humongous thumbs up for the thought that he put into this box, you guys. The stuff that came in it was awesome. It all smelled amazing. And then the little touches and the details that he added, I just, breathtaking. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I would like to thank the ZaaBox company and Mr. Strong himself personally for reaching out to me and asking me to do this review and unboxing for him. This was an amazing, amazing partnership. Thank you guys so much for partnering with me with this. This is an awesome monthly subscription. I think that you ladies would love this. You would enjoy it. This was just an awesome tuning in with me. I am TeeJaay. If you are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you did enjoy this video and that you would like to see more. If you are a returning I am TeeJaay subscriber, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I love you, love you, love you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I will see you beautiful, beautiful people on my next video. Thank you guys. Thanks, Mr.